Tester ate cheese and cherries for lunch. Mom took a photo of me holding my trophy. Shirley found shells and shark teeth at the shore. The sun pricked by some. The whales talked to each other by whistling. We packed a lunch and went to the beach. Kim has a backpack with ducks on it. Sasha washes her hair and brushes her teeth before bed. Seth does his math homework and then takes a bath. The dog barks as the cars drive by. Peter waters his flowers each day. The bird looks for worms in the dirt. The horn blows before the storm. Ted helped the herd turtle.